Hey guys, welcome back. Amy here from Healthy Home Mama, and today I'm going to be walking you through what my cleaning schedule looks like and helping you to create your own cleaning schedule to help you get that clean home that you want. So if you're new here, my channel is all about healthy living, homemaking, productivity, and family life. So if you like that kind of thing, scroll through some of the videos I've posted, and if you want, hit the link to subscribe to stay notified whenever I come out with new content. So how can you create your own cleaning schedule that works for you and works for what you want to clean in your house and what is important to you? Because what's important to you and what you want to keep clean is probably going to be different from what is important to me and what I want to keep clean. So first thing is to create a numbered list of all of the things that you want to keep clean in your house, of what is truly very important for you to keep clean. Okay, so I'm going to take you through everything on my numbered list. So number 1 is dishes. Number 2 is sweeping the floors. Number 3 is the laundry. Number 4 is cleaning the bathroom. Number 5 is spider webs. Number 6 is cleaning my entryway. Number 7 is mopping. Number 8 is dusting. Number 9 is cleaning up the laundry room. And number 10 is vacuuming the carpets and the rugs. So then, once you have that numbered list, go through and mark the things that you think are important to be done every single day, the things that you think are important to be done every week, and then what could maybe wait for a bi-weekly schedule, and mark those things. Okay, so on my daily list is dishes, sweep, and laundry. And then on my weekly list, I'm cleaning my bathroom and mopping because these are the most important to me. And then on my bi-weekly list, I have spider webs, entryway, dusting, laundry room, and vacuuming because I feel like these could be put off a little bit longer for myself. So once you have that, the next thing is to look at how many days of the week that you want to be working on your cleaning. And then once you know how many days of the week you want to be cleaning, split up your tasks into those days. So for example, if you have 10 tasks that you want to be done every single week, and you have 2 days of the week that you're gonna be working on those cleaning tasks, you will split 5 into one day and 5 into the next day. Now, if you have maybe 4 tasks that you think can be done, put off for every other week, and 1 day of the week that you're cleaning, split 2 up into 1 week and 2 into the next week, and then just continue rotating. Go back to those first 2 for the following week, the next 2 for the next week. So at this point, you should have 3 different lists. So you should have a daily list of the cleaning tasks that you want done every single day, and then you should have a weekly list. These are the tasks that you want done every single week, and those should be split up into the days of the week that you plan on cleaning. And then you should have a bi-weekly list. And those, once again, should be split up into the days of the week that you'll be cleaning, plus also the week that you'll be cleaning. Will it be week 1 or week 2? And then you'll just go back to week 1 on week 3, back to week 2 on week 4. So I already shared what I'm doing every single day. I have mine split up into 2 days of the week, and a bi-weekly schedule. So week 1 on a Thursday, I'm doing my bathroom, my spider webs, and my entryway. And then on week 1, on a Friday, I'm doing my mopping and my dusting. So when you're creating your own, try to group the things that take more time with things that take less time. So you don't want everything that takes a ton of time on the same day, or you're just going to be spending a long time cleaning. So then on that second week on a Thursday, once again, I am cleaning my bathroom. And as you can see here, sometimes I do have help. And then I am cleaning my laundry room and I am vacuuming. So then on week 2 on a Friday, the only thing I'm doing is mopping. So on my Fridays, I like to have less things to do because we are doing our Sabbath on Friday evenings. And so I don't like to spend a long time cleaning on Fridays. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on my cleaning schedule and how you can create your own cleaning schedule. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions or something that didn't make sense or anything like that, drop them down in the comment section. I would love to go through and read them and answer them for you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you back here real soon. Bye.